Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the density of your copy settings on the CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, we're going to go into the menu. Now we're going to go into the function settings, and here we're going to select the copy. Now let's click on change default settings copy, and here we will have the density. So we can change it right here, and after we change the setting to however we would like, so for example to the max, or right here we can just click apply and those settings will be applied automatically. So now I'll show you the second way of doing it. So as you guys can see, I'm on the website now, and all we got to do is go to system manager mode. Here we need to enter the remote UI access pin. Let's click login. And here we need to go over to settings and registration. Now after that we need to go to function settings, and here we have our copy settings. So now after they load, we will be able to change it by going into the edit now, and here we will be able to change the density. So as you guys can see, we have the density right here. We can change it from 0 to -4 and from 0 to 4. So basically we've got a lot of numbers here going from -4 to 4, and you guys can test it all out. You guys can try and make it up to your preference, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.